Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a smiley symbol on messages using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to search for a smiley symbol on your browser. So for example, this one. So I'm just going to copy that. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and go to your settings. After you go to your settings, you want to go to General, and then here, you want to click on Keyboard. And as you can see on the keyboard, there is a text replacement section. So you just want to click on that and click the plus sign on the upper right side of your screen. And then after that, you just want to paste the symbol that you copied earlier, and then choose any shortcuts that you want. So for example, this one. And then once you've done that, just click save. Sorry, so there's no space. And then as you can see, when I try to do it here, as you can see, that is the symbol that I copied earlier. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.